Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and staying at home healthy. I am your social studies teacher of class 4 from PMGHS-II. First of all, congratulations on your promotion to the new class 4, right? So now welcome to my class, dear students. Today in this video, we will start our new lesson, that is lesson number 10, communication. But before starting the lecture, we will discuss some copy work, right? Okay, now this is a picture of your social studies copy. First of all, you will complete the card cover of this copy. Serial number, name, class, section and subject, social studies, right? You will complete all requirements of this card cover. Next card cover, same things, serial number, name, class, subject, branch girls to session 2021 to 2022. Leave the teacher's name space and then leave the final or midterm also, right? Okay. Come towards the course contents. On a first page, what will you do? You will first of all draw the narrow margin lines, right? With the sharp pencil. Then you will start the work with blue marker. In class 4, you will use the pen, right? Ink pen. So first you will give the heading of course contents with blue marker. Right, with blue English marker, first you will give the heading of course contents, then give the heading of unit number 2 culture, then lesson number 10 communication, page number 18, then lesson number 19 Qaid Azam, Alama Iqbal and Muhtarma Fatma Lichina, right, that is on page number 20. Unit number 5 Geography, lesson number 20 Globe and Map Skills, page number 21. Lesson number 21 Major Landforms of Pakistan. This chapter is on your page number 21. Lesson number 23 Weather and Climate, that is also on your page number 21, right? Okay, the next is from the economics, unit number 6, lesson number 29, that is trade, and this chapter is on page number 23. You will do all the work in very neat and tidy handwriting, okay? No spelling mistakes will be there. I want your neat and clean work on your new neat notebooks, okay? Okay. Now on page number 3, what will you do? You will first give the heading of maps, right? Then give the heading of map number 1. Map number 1 question is, on the world map, locate the 7 continents and 5 oceans and also sketch the directions. Map number 2 is, on the map of Pakistan, locate the following deserts and also sketch key and directions. The deserts names are Haran Desert, Dal Desert, Thar Desert and Cholistan Desert, right? Okay, this is all about the course content. You will draw the ending line over here, right? Ending line should be on the 4th line of your 4 lines, okay? Okay, dear students. Then on next page, again you will draw the margin lines. You will write the page number, each and everything, right? Then you will start from the first line and give the heading of definitions. Definition with blue marker. For the heading, you will always use the blue marker, right? Okay. In the first 3 lines, you will write the definitions. Then you will give the heading of social studies. We will write the definitions of social studies, okay? So the environmental study of society is called social studies, right? In previous class you have also write these definitions, so you will also remember that, okay? The environmental study of society is called social studies. It has three branches. The names of the branches are civics, history, geography. The definition of civics is the study of citizenship. The definition of history is the study of past events, and the definition of geography is the study of earth, right? Okay, these all are about the definitions. First we discussed the course content, then we have discussed the definitions, right? And you will do the same work, same pattern you will follow on your neat notebooks. Okay, okay dear students, now come towards today's topic, that is lesson number 10, communication, right? First of all, you will write down today's date, that is 28th April, and then you will then we are going to start about the communication, right? Okay, what is communication? Do you know about that? What is communication? So, contact and exchange of news with one another, right? Contact and exchange of news with one another is called a communication. Yes, right? Communication means to contact and exchange the news with the one another, right? So, this is called the communication. All those means through which we contact on one another and exchange news are called the means of communication, right? These are called the means of communication. Now you will think about that. What are the means of communication? Okay, let me tell you that what are the means of communication. So, the means of communication are, number one, we have post offices, right? So, do you know about the post offices? Yes, post offices through which we can deliver the letters, right? There are the post offices through which we can deliver the letters from the letter box, right? This in this picture there is a letter box, small letter box, and through this the people are delivering the letter to the person, right? That is from another country, so the people deliver the letter through the letter box, through the post office, right? Okay, this is the picture of letters. Okay, through the post office we can also we can also send the parcels, right? We can also send the parcels through the post offices in every area, right? Okay, we can also send the telegraphs, and we can also send the fax machines through the post offices, right? Okay, now recognize this picture. Who are he? Yes, the person who delivers the letter from house to house is called a postman. This person is a postman, right? So, who is the postman? Postman is a person who delivers the letter from house to house, right? It is her job. It's his duty, right? Okay, now next, the means of communication is telephone, right? Telephone is also an important means of communication. This is a picture of telephone, right? Okay, do you know that who invented the telephone? Telephone was invented by the Graham Bell, right? Graham Bell was the person who invented the telephone, okay? Okay, dear students. Now, after this, telephone is also an important means of communication. Okay? Okay. Now, recognize this picture. Do you know about these phones? Yes, with the passage of time, the shape of the telephone is more modified, right? First shape of the phone is like this, right? That is invented by the Graham Bell, and that the shape of the telephone is more modified, right? Nowadays, mobile phones are used by everyone. That is more convenient way of communication, right? Okay. So mobile phone is the advanced form of telephone. Use of mobile is common nowadays, right? You know well that mobile phones are everywhere. Everyone use the mobile phones, touch mobile phone. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the another means of communication, and the another means of communication is fax. What is fax? Yes, fax is a modern form of telephone. It is used to send the written messages, right? It is used to send the written messages when you type something. So the immediately the page is out from the fax machine. So that is called a fax machine. Okay, so fax is a modern form of the telephone. It is used to send the written messages. Okay. This is also the picture of fax machine. Have a look on this picture also. Okay, dear students, now this is all about the communication topic. In next lecture, we will continue this lecture, right? First, we have discussed about the communication meaning, then we have discussed the means of communication, right? And we have discussed some means of communication, that was post offices, letter, fax, and mobile phones, telephones also, right? So these all about the means of communication. Let's talk about the homework, right? So homework is do reading of page number 124, lesson communication, and also do homework from the pictures shared in video on your neat books, right? Neat notebooks. Okay. Okay, what do you mean by that? Like you will do the reading of this chapter, right? You will do the reading of this chapter. You will also find out the meanings of the difficult words, okay? And that is on page number 124, right? And you will do the homework of the pictures that is shared in video, right? So you will do the homework in your neat notebooks, in your neat copies, right? In a very neat and clean handwriting. Understand all of you? So the reading page number is here, and the work is you will do from the pictures that is sharing in this video. Okay. Okay, dear students, now this is enough for today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.